Alright, the next step is to put the flywheel onto the flywheel hub. So we'll just slide it in on an angle like that between the displacer rod and the bearing support, and then you may need to just press it on just like that. Okay, and then there's 4 holes in the face of the flywheel that should align with 4 holes in the flywheel hub. And so these holes, or the flywheel is fastened with 1/4 inch 632 socket head cap screws. So those will just go into the holes like that, and they're tightened down with a 7/64 Allen key. Okay, so I've tightened down all 4 screws of the flywheel. The next step is to put these 1/4 inch 632 socket head cap screws through the each of the 12 holes of the flywheel and connect these acorn nuts to the other side. So I've just tightened this one down on one side, and I'm going to choose an alternating pattern. So every second hole is going to have the cap screw on this side of the flywheel, and then I'll have the acorn nut on the holes in between. So I'll have the acorn nut on this one and the cap screw on this one, and then the acorn nut on this side and the cap screw on this one. But it really doesn't matter if you want the acorn nuts on all one side. That's fine too. This is just my personal preference.